Question 54 says the area of a circle is increasing at a constant rate of 1.5 centimeters squared per second. Find to three significant figures the rate at which the radius of the circle is increasing when the area of a circle is 2 centimeters squared. Now there's a standard formula for solving this question, and the formula says dA dt equals dA dr times dr dt. dA dt represents the rate of change of the area. dr dt represents the rate of change of the radius, and dA over dr represents differentiating the area. First part of it says the area of a circle is increasing at a constant rate of 1.5 centimeters squared per second. So that's dA dt, that's the area is increasing. That's dA dt is 1.5 centimeters squared per second. On the second part, we have find three significant figures the rate at which the radius r of the circle is increasing when the area, so the rate at which the radius r is increasing, that's dr dt, which is unknown. If the area of the circle is 2 centimeters squared. Now we have two of the values of what we're looking for. We have dA dt and dr dt. Now to get our dA dr, which is derived from differentiating the area. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and differentiating where the pi is a constant, differentiating the a dr will be, you take the 2 to the front as 2 pi, then subtract the 2 1, which is 2 pi r. Looking at what we have, that means going back to our formula, you have dA dt equals dA over dr times dr dt. We are asked to find our dr dt. We have our dA dt, and what we need, we're also given our area as 2 centimeters squared, and we actually don't need the area to solve this question. We just need from the area to find the radius, which will help us with our r for our dA dr. So let's just say our area, which is pi r squared, is 2 equals pi times r squared. We divide both sides by pi. Our r squared is 2 over pi. R squared is 2 over 3.142. Now our pi r squared is 0.6364. R squared is 0.6364. We'll find square root of both sides. Square root of r squared and square root of 0.6364. This cancels this. Square root cancels square, then we have r equals square root of 0.6364 will be 0.7978. We go back to our formula with what we have. We have our dA dt as 1.5 equals, we have 2 pi r, that's dA dr, which is 2 pi r, then dr dt, which was unknown. 1.5 equals 2 times your pi is 3.142, and your r is 0.797 times x. 1.5 equals, multiply all of this together, which gives us 5.03 times x. Our x represents dr dt, which is rate of change of radius. We divide both sides by 5.03. X is equal to 1.5 divided by 5.03. Our final answer will be 0.298. Our answer is D, which is very close to 0.298.